This video will help you set up your myQ-enabled garage door with your compatible Tesla vehicle. Before you get started, you'll need a compatible Tesla vehicle, the myQ Garage and Access Control mobile app with active account. The myQ mobile app can be downloaded from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and a myQ-enabled garage door opener. Now, let's link our Tesla to myQ. On your vehicle's touchscreen display, navigate to the control panel in the lower left. Next, tap the garage door icon in the top right, then tap Link myQ account. Using your phone, scan the QR code that pops up on your vehicle's touchscreen display. You'll follow the step-by-step instructions on your phone to link your myQ account to your Tesla and start your free trial. This will launch the myQ app and automatically log you in. The myQ account is linked to your Tesla, and you'll see your connected garage door on your touchscreen. Now that you're connected, select your garage door and set garage location to easily access garage controls. When you're near your home when setting the geolocation, make sure you park right outside your garage door. The default is set to 70 feet, but you can experiment with whatever works best so that you can come home to an open garage. Now that your geo distance is set, head to garage settings for a few tips to personalize your experience. The auto close is preset for 30 feet. This is standard. Unlike auto open, you cannot change it. If you have a tight garage, auto folding mirrors would be helpful. You can also toggle on a chime for a sound alert when the garage opens or closes. If you're hesitant to set up auto open and auto close, don't worry, there's a cancel button. But you have to act fast. It doesn't stay out very long on the touchscreen. Tap it quickly to stop the garage from auto opening or closing. It's super handy if you're entering through the front door. Most people set up their myQ connected garage to open and close automatically, but you don't have to. But even if you do opt to manually open and close your door, setting your garage location will allow you to get rid of the beeping and flashing that happens. With the geolocation on, that close is considered attended, which means there's no beeps or flashes, just a smooth exit.